Hey guys. So I had somebody reach out to me on the Crystalette group that they have a product and they were nice enough to send me the product so that I could test it out for you guys. And it is a cover for your turners. Obviously there's a lot of people that have flies or bugs that land on their cups before they're fully dry. A few people probably still use epoxy, and epoxy takes way longer than Crystalite to dry. So this would come in absolute handy. I told him, his name is Tom. He made one for his wife. His wife does tumblers. And their business is Craft and Creations. So I told him I would be more than happy to do an unboxing video so that I could kind of see how the product worked out and how cool it was. He did mention that as of right now, it is for single turners, which is what I have. It's not really for the turners that it's a whole bunch all in a row. So let's go ahead and turn this camera so that we can check this out here. Already it's packaged pretty good. It does smell like cigarette smoke, so if anybody is allergic to cigarettes, keep that in mind. I believe one of them is probably a smoker. It is packaged very well, surrounded in bubble wrap, so that's good. Even taped the bubble wrap on there. That's really good too. That way it doesn't shift during shipping. All in all, I would say it looks pretty good. It's very secure. It's obviously acrylic, so you can't really see it that well. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. I don't know if this really helps you see it a little better. I guess it catches that glare pretty good. But it's pretty nice. The actual item does not smell like cigarettes, so it is entirely possible that this box, because obviously this is for tumblers, could be that whoever they bought this box from smoked. So I'm not saying that the people who made this are smokers. I'm just saying this box specifically does smell like cigarettes. So just a forewarning there. But it does seem to work out good. I do have these on top. Those hold my tumblers while they are drying, but it can easily come off, and it does cover pretty well. Let's actually get a tumbler on here, because right now I just have the football. Let me grab a tumbler. So we have that rotating here. This works really well, guys. Now, it is open back here, obviously, because you have to be able to get the cup in there. And since these are all different sizes, initially I was thinking they could put a back on here and have like an opening chiseled out. Obviously that's gonna add more time that they're gonna spend on this box, which would increase price. Overall, I think this is for more like dust, because if a fly did still want to get in here, could very easily get in here. But as far as dust, or technically if I'm working on another cup over here and this is a non-glitter cup, and I'm working on a glitter cup, this is 100% going to keep this cup glitter free. So all in all, I would give this an A+. I would absolutely say this is worth the money, 110,000%. Obviously, this is a 30-ounce regular tumbler. If I was to put a wine tumbler on here, there we go. We have our wine tumbler on here. Box can easily set over it. Since this wine tumbler is shorter than the typical 30-ounce cup, the back of this actually gets really close to right here, which is going to then limit even more how much dust or glitter or any kind of stuff falling down. It's going to limit it getting up under there. So like I said, all in all, I like this product. It's really lightweight. Obviously it's longer than it is width-wise, so I can easily set it up like this for storage. It's not going to take up a lot of space. Myself personally, I would want it just a little bit longer so it does cover more of my turner here. I'd be able to take this off. It would be able to come back more, but as you see, mine are custom, so it's possible that mine is also longer than the average turner that you can buy on Amazon. Actually, speaking of, I do have this that I bought on Amazon that I used as a template for my other ones. So, depending on how short your PVC pipe is, I mean, I can fit the whole thing in here just fine. Once I actually put a turner on here, I would say the edge of the box is flush with right here. So it does a very good job regardless of the size of your turner. Again, as long as this isn't like super long, it does a good job of covering the cup and a good portion of overhang so that you don't have anything getting onto your wet cup. So again, all in all, I definitely like it. They are right now just testing the market to see if anybody wants these. Again, it's good, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. This was built very well. In the description box below, I will have a link to their Facebook page so that you can reach out. And then as soon as they get a website up for orders, I will also update the description box below. But again, as of right now, they are just testing the market. I would highly recommend one of these if you do not already have one. And I would highly recommend it from the person I got this one from. It was boxed very well. It was boxed very safely. And the customer service is phenomenal. So if you need one, definitely buy from these people, 110,000%.